Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the HODL application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and simply type in and search for HODL. Once you start the search, you will find the HODL Real-Time Crypto Tracker application. Go ahead and tap on the Install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the HODL application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then once the installation is done and you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the HODL application. And once you open it up, you can continue with logging into your existing account or signing up and creating a new one to start using the HODL application right on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the HODL application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.